Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your girl Kim, and I'm gonna be doing a video on what I'm packing to basic. I am actually at the airport right now, on my way to Fort Sill, Oklahoma, because I will be entering the United States Army as a 68 whiskey. And yeah, so this is what I packed. I believe I overpacked, but I'm not sure because I'm pretty sure all of this stuff that I bought, that I bought is going to be used the first night at reception, and then it's going to be thrown away because I'm not going to need it anymore. So let's get right into the video. So this is my backpack that I received from MEPS. Well, wait for that. I took most of the stuff out already, but this right here is my little notepad that I'm gonna be using for to jot down notes, and when we're doing land nav or ruck marches and whatnot, and I just need to jot down some notes. I have 30 envelopes with 30 stamps. I have a black Sharpie, a silver Sharpie, and then I have a pen. Like I was saying, I got a black Sharpie because females in basic love to steal, as I've heard. So I'm gonna write that on my light colored clothing items, and then I have a silver Sharpie to write on my black items. Like you saw in the beginning, I wrote my name already with the silver Sharpie. I have the pen that came with this little notepad, and I have a bigger notepad, a bigger notebook right here. But these right here are from a company called Write in the Rain, and it's basically an all-weather notepad. So if it's raining or whatever and you need to write, it's not gonna smear and whatnot. So yeah, and yeah, it came with I bought the pen separately. That pen was expensive too. I think that pen was like $13, but and then I have my direct deposit form, my birth certificate, and some other documents in here. I have my shower shoes right here, and then the main items. Let me go in the small pocket first. I have my phone charger, my AirPods charger, my portable charger with its charger. Oh, I got some snacks in there. My ballistics, and my keys, my house keys. So yeah, that's it for this little small pouch. And don't worry, I'm not bringing that inside reception. That's just for the plane ride and for while I'm at the airport, because I have five and a half more hours here until my flight. I got here at 5 a.m. and my flight doesn't leave until almost 2 o'clock. So I have 6 pairs of white crew socks. I have in here, I have 4 pairs of underwear and 2 sports bras. Right here, I have, what is this? Shampoo, leave-in conditioner, hair milk. They're probably gonna make me throw away the hair milk and the leave-in conditioner, but I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna find something that's a PX that I can use. I have 2 things of hand sanitizer. I have 6 tripods. I have 6 Tide Pods. I have my hairbrush. I have Gold Bond. I have Q-tips, hair ties, and I have bobby pins somewhere in there. I brought some moleskin and some wipes, because you never know when you're gonna need some wipes. You feel me? And the last bag, I have face wash, deodorant, the toothbrush holder with the toothbrush inside, face cream, toothpaste, a razor, floss, bar soap, shaving cream. And then I have my boarding pass and this right here that they gave us at MEPS, and it's basically our itinerary, and then it has a form that we have to give the people at reception when we get there. So yeah, that is what is in my bag. Sorry for the music that's playing in the background, and sorry for the overhead PA system from the airport. Let me put that down real quick. I am not here by myself. I'm with two other people that's going to Fort Sill with me. And we had another group that was going to Fort Sill, but somehow they ended up on a different flight. They already left already, and they're going to be landing at 3 o'clock. And we're waiting until 1 o'clock to leave, and we'll be arriving at 8 o'clock. So I feel like they're going to be in Oklahoma, just like waiting around for the bus by the time we get there, and we're all going to leave together. But yeah, I hope you guys can hear me clearly. I have my AirPods in. But as always, it's your girl Kim, and I'm going to add footage from reception in here, so stay tuned.